Hi friends, let's accompany that light race effect with the intense camera shake, shall we? So let's get right into it. So in order to achieve that, I'm going to the effects library, and then in the OpenFX I'm looking for the camera shake, and then I close the effects library. Before I go further with anything here, I go back to the light race, go to the global blend, and here I browse through the keyframes, and then I set markers for every keyframe. This way is way easier to put the keyframes for the camera shake at the same spot. The third thing what I want to do is I want to play a little bit with the camera shake, so I go high with the motion scale and the speed scale. Yeah, I want to go really high. And yeah, that. Of course, we don't want to have that the whole time. So what we're going to do, go to the beginning of our clip, and now we go in the camera shake to the global blend, and we set a keyframe and put the blend all the way to 0. Then we go to the marker we've set, because we know there are the keyframes for the light race, and then we set the first keyframe here manually, and then we go to the next keyframe, next marker, and there we put that blend for our camera shake all the way up. Then we go to the next marker and set a manual keyframe, and then we go to the next and last marker and drag it all the way to the down, and that's it. So let's have a look in full screen. Looks cool. I hope you have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.